Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm super excited to walk you through something really cool. How you can get YouTube and other popular apps to work directly on your car screen using a powerful app called Stream Dash. This is especially useful for those of you who have CarPlay or Android Auto and want to go beyond the usual built-in features. With Stream Dash, you'll be able to access apps like YouTube, streaming platforms, and even your favorite media players, right from your car's display. It's a great way to get more out of your infotainment system, especially for passengers or when you're parked. As you can see on my phone, I already have the Stream Dash app installed and working, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. The setup process is really simple, and once you're done, you can start enjoying a much more flexible and fun in-car experience. Just a quick heads up before we get into the steps. Please don't use apps like YouTube while driving. This should only be used when the car is parked or when it's safe to do so. Maybe to entertain your kids in the back seat or while waiting in the car. Safety always comes first. Alright, with that out of the way, let's jump into how you can get Stream Dash on your phone and start using it today. To get started, open your preferred internet browser on your phone. This could be Safari, Chrome, or any other browser you like. In the address bar, type in streamdash.app or simply search for Stream Dash using Google. Once you're on the site, take a moment to explore. You'll find helpful information about what the app does, how it works, and how it can enhance your in-car experience. When you're ready to install the app, look for the Download Now button on the homepage and tap it. This will begin the process of downloading the app to your device. If this is your first time using the website, you'll likely be redirected to a verification page. Don't worry, this is completely normal. The instructions on the page are very clear, and there's even a short tutorial video available to guide you through it if needed. After you complete the verification steps, a pop-up will appear asking you to install a configuration profile. This profile is required to allow the app to run properly on your phone. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once that's done, the Stream Dash app will be added to your home screen like any other app. So that wraps up today's tutorial on how to use Stream Dash. I hope you found this helpful and that it works smoothly for you just like it did for me. Thanks again for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.